The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Harvey County, Southwestern Chase County, Northern Butler County, Southeastern Marion County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., tornado-producing storms extended from 7 miles northeast of Burns to 5 miles east of Newton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. You can expect tornado and golf ball-size hail. The tornado was confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. These tornadic storms will be near Whitewater, Elbing, and Burns around 6:50 p.m. Potwin around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Wonsevu, Newton Airport, and Cassoday. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 23 and 32. Interstate 35 between mile markers 91 and 99. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.